Hey everyone! Today we're diving into the world of remote work, making money from your couch, crushing it in your PJs, and building a career without ever setting foot in a stuffy office. We'll explore 5 easy online jobs that you can start right away. First up, becoming a customer service representative. The superheroes of the online world. Companies are desperate for awesome people like you to join their remote customer service teams. Most companies provide all the training you need to become a customer service pro. You'll be answering emails, chatting online, and maybe even hopping on a call or two to help customers troubleshoot issues or answer questions about products and services. If you're a people person who loves helping others and wants to earn money from anywhere in the world, becoming a remote customer service representative might just be your dream job. Let's talk about becoming a virtual assistant, aka the ultimate side hustle. Imagine being the behind-the-scenes mastermind that helps entrepreneurs, influencers, and businesses thrive. From managing emails and scheduling appointments to creating presentations and handling social media, a virtual assistant does it all virtually. And the best part? You don't need years of experience to get started. It's one of the best entry-level jobs out there, allowing you to gain valuable skills in a variety of areas. You get to choose what you enjoy doing and specialize in those areas. Plus, you get to set your own hours, work from anywhere in the world, and be your own boss. If you're organized, detail-oriented, and love the idea of having a flexible work schedule, then becoming a virtual assistant might just be your calling. In today's digital age, social media is everything. It's the heartbeat of modern communication and marketing. Businesses need to be active on social media to connect with their customers, promote their products, and stay ahead of the competition. It's a vital tool for brand visibility and customer engagement. As a social media scheduler, you play a crucial role in this ecosystem. You'll be the mastermind behind the scenes, ensuring that businesses are consistently engaging with their audience and building a strong online presence. Your analytical skills will help you understand what works best. Your mission is to create captivating social media posts with eye-catching images or videos and schedule them to go out at the best possible times to reach the widest audience. Timing is everything in social media. Most businesses will provide you with the content they want to be posted, but your creativity can also come into play. You'll use scheduling tools to make sure those posts go live at the right time, maximizing their impact. You can often manage multiple accounts at once, which means more opportunities and more money in your pocket. This role not only pays well, but also offers flexibility. Plus, you'll be learning valuable social media marketing skills along the way, which can open doors to even more opportunities in the future. If you're a social media savvy individual who loves the idea of helping businesses grow their online presence, this could be your calling. Then becoming a social media scheduler might just be the perfect side hustle for you. Imagine working from the comfort of your home while making a significant impact on businesses. For all you detail-oriented, organized ninjas out there, this one's for you. If you love keeping things in order and have a knack for precision, listen up. Data entry. It's exactly what it sounds like. Inputting data into a computer. Simple, right? But don't let the simplicity fool you. It's an essential task. It's straightforward, easy to learn, and can be done from anywhere with an internet connection. Whether you're at home, in a cafe, or even on a beach, you can get the job done. Data entry is like the Zen garden of online jobs. It's all about maintaining a calm and focused mind. It's all about focus, accuracy, and a whole lot of chill vibes. Imagine working in a state of flow, where everything just clicks. You'll be working with spreadsheets, databases, and online forms, inputting information like customer details, product information, or financial records. Each entry is a step towards a more organized world. While it might sound repetitive, it can actually be quite relaxing. The rhythm of typing can be almost meditative. Plus, you can listen to music, podcasts, or even audiobooks while you work, making the time fly by. It's a great way to multitask and stay entertained. Data entry is a skill that's always in demand. Companies are always looking for reliable people to handle their data. Every business needs someone to manage their data. So once you've got the skills, you'll have no shortage of opportunities. It's a gateway to a flexible and rewarding career. Are you a math whiz, a history buff, a grammar guru, or perhaps you have a unique skill or talent that others could benefit from? If you have a knack for a particular subject, then get ready to embrace your inner teacher and become an online tutor. It's an opportunity to share your expertise and make a real impact. Online tutoring is a whole new world. You can connect with students one-on-one or in small groups through video chat, interactive whiteboards, and online messaging platforms. The tools available make it easier than ever to provide personalized and effective instruction. You can set your own rates, choose the subjects you want to teach, and build a flexible schedule that fits your lifestyle. This means you can work from the comfort of your home or anywhere with a stable internet connection. While some platforms might require certain certifications, many are open to tutors from all backgrounds as long as you have a passion for your subject and a desire to help others learn. Your enthusiasm and dedication are what truly matter. Whether you're helping students ace their exams, improve their writing skills, or learn a new language, online tutoring is an incredibly rewarding way to make a difference in someone's life while earning some extra cash. The satisfaction of seeing your students succeed is unparalleled. If you're looking for a job that's both flexible and fulfilling, and you have a passion for sharing your knowledge with others, then why not give online tutoring a try? It's a chance to turn your expertise into a valuable resource for students around the world. And there you have it, 5 easy online jobs you can start without any experience. The key is to take action, stay persistent, and never stop learning. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips on working from home. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your job search. Until next time, stay awesome.